This video is a blend of AI innovation and human creativity. Plus I use AI tools to enhance visuals, but the research, storytelling and editing are purely my effort to bring you the best global knowledge. Enjoy the journey.
Ecco la vera carbonara. Guanciale croccante, pecorino romano, uova fresche e pepe nero macinato al momento.
The master now reveals the premium selection, showcasing the exquisite artistry of Edo-Style sushi. A stunning presentation of authentic pad thai, freshly prepared and steaming hot, revealed from beneath the colors of the Thai flag. Behold, the authentic Canadian poutine, golden fries, fresh cheese curds, and rich brown gravy. A true Quebec classic. Inside we find authentic German Bratwurst, served hot with fresh Sauerkraut and a dollop of mustard. As the tricolor wrapping is removed, we reveal these beautiful, authentic golden brown croissants and the almond Bostock, dusted with powdered sugar.
This is the Asado Argentino, a tradition passed down through generations, served sizzling hot with fresh chimichurri. And finally, the moment we've waited for, the Gran Paella, a true taste of Barcelona, freshly prepared with the finest Bomba rice and seafood.
Encased in the Southern Cross and the colors of the flag, the authentic Australian meat pie is a culinary centerpiece, known for its perfectly flaky crust. As the tricolor wrapping is removed, we reveal these beautiful, authentic golden brown croissants and the almond Bostock, dusted with powdered sugar. And here we have it, the authentic taste of Hanoi. Our pho features a clear, aromatic beef broth, rice noodles, and the freshest local ingredients.